Okay, so he just climbed right up on my car.
That was easy.
Throw a carrot. This guy? Yeah, throw it, like, no, like off the car. Throw it off. Don't encourage him. Throw it off.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
On the car. Lindsay! We're encouraging all. Oh my god. Get off my car, please.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Hey, just get there. Please close the door.
Okay.